Okay, here we have an MBraun glove box. We've installed new gloves. Interior's been all cleaned up. If you look at the display, you can see we've got a 6 millibar pressure right now. What I really want to show here is that our moisture and our oxygen content is less than 1 ppm. The sensors are on the back, I'll point them out. This interface is connected into the control box, which sits here on the side. And here we have our antechambers. You have a small antechamber and a large antechamber. Both of their vacuums have been brought down. You can see I've labeled these, they're off right now. This one's on vacuum, turn that off. I'll show you how to vent that. If we go back up to the display, okay, you can scroll through the different screens, hit the enter screen, and it shows you the different set modes, purification status if you were doing that. There's arrow keys to guide you through the different menu options. Escape will bring you back to this main screen where you can check the status as it's doing it. Down at the bottom on the floor we have the foot pedals, and these operate the vacuum and the pressure inside the box. The right one adds nitrogen and the left one operates the vacuum. Okay. Lastly up on here, I want to point out a couple of keys. The left one is our circulation, and that's on right now, which means we're circulating through here and through the media. The media has been replaced and reconditioned. It's called regeneration. Regeneration is off. It's not something you should have to do constantly, but it is there for when you do need to do it. Here is also your control for the light in the box. It's an off and on. And then you also have the vacuum pump here, which is on. I have it on for right now because this vacuum pump is not connected directly to the system. It's standalone, so this will not control the vacuum pump, but this does get rid of the error message. It's thinking it's there. We will connect that up if necessary. So other than that, the system is operational. If you wanted to do a transfer of something, you could pump this system down, open up the doors, put it through. I've done this already to make sure that it does react responsibly the way it's supposed to, and the levels will go up and then they'll come back down again. These are the access doors for the antechambers. This is your main control box. We're on the side. This is the main power switch here. This is the pump. The pump is connected here. I will be labeling the lines to make sure that you have everything, know where they're supposed to go. Some of it's already labeled. All the valving is here. This is where the media is located. And this is the circulation pump. Okay. We have here our oxygen and moisture sensors. They're in line with the box. This is the pressure sensor for the box. And this valve is here to be able to purge the box with nitrogen when you first set it up. You can open it up and it'll bleed nitrogen out. All this stuff will be disconnected and packed. I wanted you to see where it goes so when you put it back together. This is the main vacuum line coming from the circulator. There is a heat exchanger right here. This gets warm. Under normal use, you don't necessarily need to have a chiller associated with it, but you'll have to check it periodically to make sure that it's okay. And these are the water lines I did. When you do a regen, you do need water going through there. So the water lines are all there. They'll be all included. Everything else is sealed off.